hair like rose gold, and I'm not gonna do the entire thing. I'm just gonna do like a couple pieces because my mom's gonna kill me. Sorry mom if you're watching this. I'm just gonna do like a couple pieces because I just want like some peekaboo pieces. And my hair is pretty blonde, so it should work. So I'm gonna show you guys the picture that I kind of was like looking at. I know this is like way more blonde. So this is like way more rose gold than I want, but something like this, like the little pieces in the front and stuff. Yeah, so we'll see if my mom yells at me. She don't like me doing no fashion colors, even though it's semi-permanent, and I'm going to literally dilute the hell out of it so it's not like straight up pink. But yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So if you guys want to see me do this hair, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I have just this like ugly shirt on that like has like paint and stuff all over. It's like my painting shirt. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just like brush my hair out. This is the Tangle Teaser. So basically I'm just gonna like section my hair in like 3 sections, and I'm just gonna apply it. And guys, so I just did my eyelashes. I just did a video, so go check that video out. I'll link it in the description box below. I just did my lashes. They look mad cute. The colors that I got were, this isn't gonna be no tutorial because I don't really know how this is gonna turn out. I am a professional though, disclaimer. I am a cosmetologist. I have my license and everything like that. But so I basically like, I know what I'm doing, but I just want to make sure, like, I don't know if this is gonna be a fail video or not. Good thing this is only semi-permanent because yeah, I don't really know how this is gonna turn out. So yeah, so the colors that I got was Ion Color Brilliance Bright Semi-Permanent. So this is in the color Flamingo, and then I got the color Rose Quartz. So these both are direct dyes, so you don't need a developer. And then I'm just gonna like add some conditioner kind of to dilute it a little bit, a white conditioner. All right, so I have like a little towel over here, and I have my Starbucks. All right, so I have my little bowl right here, gloves, I have foils, and then clip. I have a couple clips actually. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna put my hair back real quick just so I can like mix all this together. So what I'm just gonna be doing is I'm probably gonna do like half a bottle of each. So this is it so far. And then I'm just gonna add conditioner. Alright, so this is the color that it is right now. I like that color actually. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna part it in like 2 sections. And then I'm literally just gonna take like little pieces and I'm just gonna like put it on there and then put the foil. Alright, so I'm gonna do like a little piece like right here. That's good. And then I'm literally just gonna like slap it right on there. And then I'm kind of gonna like ombre it up a little so it's a nice blend. And then I'm gonna take this thing and I'm just gonna wrap that so it doesn't get on my other hair. Okay. Guys, so I'm gonna leave this ish on for like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the result. Okay guys, so I moved my camera and I don't feel like moving it back. So now I'm just gonna wash all this out. I'm gonna blow dry my hair. And then I'm gonna curl it so you guys can see the final product. I can see it a little bit. I mean, obviously I didn't do my whole head, so it's like not gonna be fully. So it's a 10 and I'm just gonna put it throughout my ends. Here's my wet brush and I'm just gonna brush it out. So I just blow dried applied it, you guys can tell like a little bit. I guess this is a fail video because you can literally hardly see it, hardly showed up, and I think my issue was that I applied too much conditioner because that dilutes it, so I think the color was light as it is, and my hair isn't like a bright blonde. Yeah, next time I do this I'll probably just like use the direct dyes, and I don't know, I kind of like it. Like, I wish like honestly it was on my whole hair because I really like it. I'm just gonna curl it. I'm just gonna like wand it real quick for you guys, and then I'll bring you guys outside so you guys can see. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I'm gonna put on another shirt and then I'm gonna bring you guys outside so you guys can see it. You guys can see it like a little bit. Like I said, you guys will be able to see it in the outside picture, but you guys can see it a little bit. It's subtle, but like it's wicked cute. But I think this is cute for like a little change. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do pink, like the bottom of it, like straight up rose gold pink, then thumbs up this video. I love you guys so much and I appreciate you guys for watching, and I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.